Alright, here we go again, YouTube, real quick. Someone's asking a comparison for my camera is dead, so I'm using a selfie stick with my iPhone. That's the 315. And boom! 310. So we already know the 315 is loud. Very loud. Have it hooked up to copy-free YouTube music. Once again, thanks for everybody for subscribing, liking, commenting. Hoping to get this up in one take, upload it, boom, all done. Alright, so pretty much the same thing as every time. Alto TS310, the Alto company's been around since 2000s, early 2000s. They've gotten better with each line. I think it was TX series and the TS2 series, now the TS3 series. It's amazing. It's very simple. And 310, 315, same back, same everything. Nothing fancy. If you want Bluetooth, you get the Bluetooth Toto or the Alto Stealth, whichever one. And what else we got here? What else we got? The weight difference. This is the 310 isn't heavy at all. It's like 25 pounds. And this one's almost 40 pounds, so it's a little bit difference. There's a commercial, see? There we go. See what we got. Can we skip this one? Boom, skip. So right now we got it set extremely low. So we turn it up. I gotta use these cables. That's the only ones I got. You won't hear me in a second. This room is 24 by like 18 or something like that. So right now, 15, 20 feet away. You do your own comparison. Big difference, I guess, in price, because this is the 310's $250. The 15 is $350, so it's $100 more. You got a 10-inch woofer compared to the 15-inch woofer. I think it's an extra 2 dBs more on the 15 and on the 10. They both have 1,000 RMS, which kicks. And this is off the iPad, so if you actually have it on a mixer or that you could EQ it, you probably get a little bit more out of it. I know I definitely do when I have it hooked up to my mixer, my DJBRITEEYES. But I love the brand. It's awesome. I'm really tempted to buy the TS315 or 315 sub, because if it sounds anything like these, it's gonna be amazing. I just like to see them. I like to know what store carries them so I can actually hear it in person. But once again, there we go. You got the 15, the 10. Best bang for your buck. You can go big name. You can. It's up to you. Nothing fancy. 2 inputs, 1 mix output. An extra 3 dB in the contour. And that's about it. But you're paying for the power and the clarity. You're not paying for all the extra perks. Nowadays you have so many different cables that you could pretty much put some kind of adapter on and get it to work. So it's up to you what you want to spend. If you're a name chaser or if you're out for quality. Oh, there's all kinds of speakers with quality. Can you even see my eyes? Ooh, there's my eyes. There we go. Once again, got the Altos. Boom, boom. Got 2 of these, 2 of these. I got 2 308s. I got 2 ZLX12s. I got the IP300. I got 2 EKX 18 subs. So, not bad. Probably really don't need to buy any speakers anytime soon, but we'll see. See if I get that itch. That itch you just gotta scratch. And I'm recording on my phone because my battery died on my camera. I figured a quick one because once I go back to work this week, forget this. Because I have a wedding coming up, so it's gonna be busy between work and weddings. But yeah, I love this product. They do get scuffed up pretty easily though. They do get scuffed up. You have to be careful moving them around. So besides that, there's one video where a guy painted him like a truck bed type stuff, and it seems to be holding up. So let's see if he has any more updates. But again, click, like, subscribe, comment, and hopefully this will be up by tonight. That'll be good, right? Tonight, you ask, you receive. All right, let's see how it goes. Once again, Alto TS310, Alto TS315. Thank you for coming, guys. You did a great job, and I'll see you when I see you. But subscribe, hit the bell, and like and share and comment. Help me out. I think I'm up to 132 subscribers. My goal would be right now 140 by the end of the week. I think I'm gonna pass it the way I'm going. Be nice. Be like 200, 300. Then we're talking. All right. Peace out. Later. You still here? Hello? All right. Peace.